Hi, my name is Nate. Reimage. New concept, PC repair in minutes. Here's how it works. Let's say that this is your client's computer. It starts off all shiny and working. Soon enough, a user comes along. And the computer starts working in ways you wouldn't expect. Frankly, I've seen computers do some really freaky stuff. Reimage now begins. They scan the entire system files, folders, registry keys, values, drivers, and stacks. Each is either repaired or thrown out, but that is only the start. Reimage has an enormous library that includes millions of system objects, thousands of drivers, and hundreds of applications. When something is missing, they simply replace it. All users' data is saved, nothing is ever deleted, and the entire process is easily reversible. All the work that usually took hours is down to minutes. Reimage just works. It's that simple. Reimage. PC repair in minutes.